Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Fabio from Eugene Computer Repair. Just thought I should do another in-depth video on actually Windows 10. I'm getting a lot of questions and comments, most of them regarding the Wi-Fi settings that I showed you guys before on how to do. I want to go a little bit deeper into it and show a little more further review on my thoughts again with Windows 10. So far so good, actually. I'm really surprised. Using the new internet browser, Microsoft Edge, it's actually working really smooth than I thought before. No longer I have any Wi-Fi issues, nor my screen is no longer flickering like it was before in that previous video I made. And for those who wasn't able to figure that solution out, I'm actually doing another video for you guys, like I promised in that video, to do a little in-depth solution and give you my further review on Windows 10 so far. So I actually found an easier way based on one of the forums I read, and I think for those who weren't able to figure out it before, this will be an easier way for you. So once you log on to your computer and you actually open up your home screen, all you need to do is go ahead and search for the run command. So just type RUN. As soon as you do that, you should actually see the run folder populate. And all you got to do in here, hopefully you guys can see it inside this frame. If not, I'm going to go ahead and drag it over. Is just type WR reset, or that's your wireless reset. Press OK, and that would actually reset the network settings itself onto your Windows 10 device, which I actually thought was a pretty easier way than what I did before. It did bring you to the solution, however, but it actually just find those steps for you. That will basically just refresh the entire settings on your device. Next thing I do want to talk about as well, if you can't download any app. So I was actually trying to download this application. I did download Join Me and other things like that, and I was having an issue. When I do go ahead and go into the Windows Store, which I'll actually go ahead and open up that now since I'm talking to you guys. So I go in the Windows Store, and I'm just going to do another demo here really quick. So basically, I'm going to go ahead and download this Line app, which I think is a pretty cool free chat app that I don't really use, but this is just for a demo. So as soon as that is downloading, basically, I will get this error that says, let's see. Okay, so basically I get the error saying failed to acquire license, right? So the way we fixed this problem, or the way that I found the easiest to fix this problem, was to do the same thing, and I believe mine's going to work since I already fixed that internet issue. But all you will need to do is go ahead and open up that run folder again and just type WS reset. I'm not going to do it. The only reason I'm not going to do it because I don't want to lose this live video, or this video that I'm actually doing with you guys. So basically, like I said before, that would actually reset the internet settings. Also as well, you will need to reboot your computer in order for this action to take place, and that should fix it for you. If that doesn't work, go ahead and comment in this video, and I'm definitely go ahead and do some deeper digging for you guys and see what other options are out there. Other comments I've been getting about is people who I had the flickering issue before with my device, with the screen flickering, and I know I did that reset to actually fix the issue, but there's actually another way to do that. So those of you that weren't able to resolve that issue, and like I said before, if your touchpad is not working, best thing I found out was to get like an extra mouse, or a wireless mouse, or just a regular mouse, plug it into your laptop, and go ahead and go to the reset option. Or what you can do, if you're running NVIDIA, basically go ahead and open up your drivers. And I'm running Intel, I'm not using NVIDIA. But basically, you will go ahead and just go to the NVIDIA website, download your correct drivers, and actually restart your drivers to run again, basically. And you'll just be doing a basic reset. I did however find out that just doing the whole reset on your computer, for example, just going to your settings, clicking on, going to your settings, clicking on update and security, going to recovery, and doing the reset was also an easier option for me when I did go ahead and complete, and I did that in my last video. That worked perfectly for me, and I know it worked for some of you guys as well. For them using Intel or NVIDIA, the best thing to do, you want to go ahead and just redo or re-enable your drivers. So you go to Device Manager, and you just want to make sure all your Device Manager, pull up your drivers, and so you just want to go to your display adapters. And I'm currently running AMD right now. I know I'm an AMD fan or Intel fan, or if you have NVIDIA, anything like that, you can do basically what I'm doing. What you will need to do is just scan for hardware changes. First, you're going to disable. Then you're going to scan for hardware changes, and then you're also going to update driver software just to ensure you have the newest one. And I'll go ahead and do a quick demo for you guys right now. So mine is just searching online for the newest drivers available. It does say I do have the best driver installed for my computer. This is my basic. I don't do nothing much with this, so basic is what I need. I had to go ahead and did that for you. And that's all I did with that one. So that was an easy situation as well. So I mean, there's been a lot of errors with the with the new Windows 10 update. A lot of people has been complaining, but so far, I'm not gonna lie, it's been pretty good. Just the first few days, I was having a lot of trouble. Like my computer was barely coming on. I also was having a no sound issue. I don't know if you guys were getting this or not. But also I wasn't having no sound, and I did find the best way to fix that as well. So what you want to do is go ahead and go to your volume here, or you can just open up your control panel, whatever is easier for you. Go ahead and open up your volume mixer. So I got mine right here. And then you just want to right click on your speakers or double click on your speakers. And then basically you want to check back for your playback devices. So, and this is just for CD quality. You can check your other ones as well and just test it, just to make sure yours is getting sound. Now, if you weren't getting sound on yours currently, best way I found out to do this was just restore by default and do a complete reset on it, which works perfectly for me, which I did. And after that, I was able to get sound again. I know that was another known issue. Sound effect was a big issue. Screen flickering was another big issue, and also not being able to connect to Wi-Fi was also a big issue. So I mean, if you guys have any more errors or any more things you guys want to talk to me about, or you guys have been having any more issues with regarding your Windows 10 or your Windows 10 update, go ahead and feel free to share them in the comment box and whatnot. You guys can also check out our page on Facebook, which is facebook.com / Eugene Computer Repair, and I'll definitely be glad to help you guys. So again, thanks for watching this video. Go ahead and subscribe, and talk to you later.